Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon? Here will top products review on Amazon. Let's start best review on YouTube. ACEMAGIC Gaming Desktop PC Tank03, Intel i7-12700H, GeForce RTX 3070 16GB, TDP115W, Gaming PC 32GB Dual Channel DDR5 1TB NVMe SSD, 24MB cache, Wi-Fi 6/BT 5.2/USB 4 Type-C /RGB light multi-mode triple fans. About this item: unique gaming computer desktop Tank03. This PC gaming adopted dedicated graphics design. With the powerful GeForce RTX 3070 M16GB GDDR6 and Intel Iris Xe graphics, ACEMAGIC Tank03 can bring realistic RTX ray tracing effects and advanced AI performance, helping enthusiasts acquire targets faster, react more quickly without latency, and improve aiming accuracy in gaming. Bring the best gaming experience, such as CS2, Dota 2, PUBG Go, Borderlands 3, etc. Meanwhile, whether you're rendering complex 3D scenes, editing up to 8K video, or live streaming with stunning image quality, the PC gamer can meet all your creative needs. Do you really know i7-12700H CPU? ACEMAGIC Gaming PC Tank03 is powered by newest 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor. Compared with other Intel CPU i9-11900H, i7-11800H, this mini PC Intel i7-12700H features higher 14 cores, core count is effectively doubled to 20 threads, up to L3 24MB cache, which performs better overall 20% and represents higher single core performance, higher energy efficiency, and lower latency. The base operating frequency is 2.3 GHz, turbo boost frequency up to 4.7 GHz, TDP up to 45W. ACEMAGIC Game PC is definitely the first choice for professional gamers and 3D renderers. RGB lighting and 3 different modes with 5 different lighting modes on ACEMAGIC Gaming Desktop: Auto /On /Breath /Rainbow /Cycle. This gaming PC desktop creates a unique visual impact and gaming atmosphere for you. Meanwhile, many PC i7 offers 3 modes for different scenes: silent mode, auto mode, performance mode. Silent mode: enter energy saving mode. The power is 2030W and the fan sound is as low as 35 dB. Auto mode: widely used for entertainment and office work, power up to 3040W. Performance mode: easily handle games, drawing, design, or video editing, etc. 32GB DDR5 and 1TB PCIe storage and SD card slot. ACEMAGIC Gaming PC Tank03 is configured with 32GB dual channel DDR5 with 4800 mt/s speed, faster 50% than DDR4. DDR4 speed is 3200 MHz, expandable up to 2*32GB. With 1TB M.2 2280 PCIe 3.0 storage, the computer tower provides dual M.2 NVMe/SATA slots, which can be upgraded to max 4TB. Plus extra SD card slot, gaming computer provides sufficient storage to cope with daily use or work needs. 4-screen display and Wi-Fi 6 and VT 5.2. Mini PC gaming supports 4-screen display, dual HMDI 2.0 plus Type-C plus DP 1.4, USB 4 Type-C and DP 1.4 interfaces. Support 8K at 60Hz ultra sharp, detailed picture quality. Built-in dual 2.5 Gbps LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2. The desktop PC comes with a range of top-notch devices to keep you connected. 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, supports 10 Gbps data transmission. 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports up to 5 Gbps.